You can use Flipgrid to see everyone's videos and your teacher's videos.
We can just go on Hub and then see what our work is on Google Classroom.
I could see everyone and not miss out, and we're just still all together.
Our school has put into place a blended learning plan based very much on the work that we were doing during the lockdown and during the catch-up. So we are providing for all of our children Tier 1, sort of a universal level. If a child has to go off to self-isolate, maybe for a short time while they're waiting for a test to come back, either for themselves or for somebody else. Should we be in a situation where a child is off for 14 days, so a longer period of time, then we move on to Tier 2. There are more direct learning opportunities which will be provided. And then Tier 3 is if we have to have a whole cohort go into self-isolation. Very specific learning opportunities provided, and the staff will provide direct video lessons as well.
I felt like we could still do the work with everybody else on there.
I did find some bugs in your garden. I took a picture of them and put them on Flipgrid.
It kept me in touch with the school and my classmates.
I like seeing my friends a lot.
It allowed them to connect with their peers, and that is so important.
The skills that they learn during their 6 hours in school, be it in the corridors and the playground, empathy, consideration, respect, discipline.
But they've embraced everything. They are just amazing with their flexibility and with their willingness to learn and adapt. They're amazing.
Keep Wales learning! School's epic!
Well, it should be this school's epic.
Yeah.